Good evening, everyone. Thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence and being a part of the Proton EMAS 5 launch ceremony. Firstly, I would like to thank our delegate from the Embassy of Malaysia and Nepal. Thank you so much for your continuous support and pushing us forward, trying to take the Proton brand in Nepal. I would also like to thank Mr. Lee Chidan, or how we call him, Mr. John in English, for his continuous support. Proton Nepal has been his project from the start, and he's the one who's truly understood the Nepalese market and pushed forward these wonderful products. Then we have Miss Clemens and Miss Sarfari. So, I mean, Proton team has been incredibly ingrained in the Nepal market. And the products you see here today are not just an import, they are specifically designed for Nepal. At Shankar, we are trying to bring the best products available globally for our customers in Nepal. It has been our endeavor to be the customer's most trusted brand, whether it is with the other brands we distribute over two-wheelers, three-wheelers, commercial vehicles, or our other brands across the group, but also how we look after our customers through the various initiatives which we are going to bring with the Proton. I would also like to share that with the launch of EMAS 5, we will also be launching our Proton drivers community, and that is going to be a very big part of how we want to take care of our customers going forward. You're going to hear a lot about that in the coming weeks. About the EMAS 5, this actually is the highest selling car in its segment in the world today. It's sold almost 800,000 units in the last 16 to 17 months, and this has come as the Proton EMAS 5. It's powered by Geely technology. It's the highest selling EV in Malaysia. It's the highest selling EV wherever it has launched, and hopefully we can make it the highest selling EV in Nepal. Along with that, I would also like to thank our esteemed guests from the banking sector who have continuously supported us through the years, from the insurance sector, and our customers. I believe we have a few customers here who've been the initial first few to book the EMAS 5 and chosen to drive this as their next drive home. I'm really grateful to all our friends from the media, from the online world, content creators, and lastly, I'm immensely grateful to the entire team of Jagdamba Motors in Shankar, who has been on this journey with us for the last 20 years. Jagdamba Motors has been awarded the best distributor in Nepal, but in a different category, for providing best customer service and providing the highest customer service index scores across Nepal by JD Power, and that is our endeavor, that we continue to do that with Proton. It's a beautiful car. I hope it brings a lot of first news in this segment. Fantastic 83 kilowatt hour powered rear wheel drive motors. I think a lot of us saw the drifting on the media drive day. It gives brilliant range, 20 minutes, 20 to 80 charge, independent multi-disc suspension, great space for your family. In fact, I drove this for almost 70 kilometers yesterday, and I have been driving an EMAS 7, various cars across my 20 years of adulthood, and This car just made me feel at home. I mean, it has everything that a big luxury car has to offer, and it comes in this decent package at an unbelievable price. I hope all of you are going to experience the car. We have created some experience zones outside. Thank you to everyone again for coming for this launch. Thank you to all my friends who've come. Thank you to my family, and hopefully I'll see all of you soon again and individually down there. Thank you. Thank you for coming.